Is one egg white in a day enough to keep the doctors at bay? A recent publication in 2023 demonstrated the effects of egg whites on the blood pressure of people with hypertension. The study revealed a reduction of blood pressure in systolic blood pressure and diastolic blood pressure in the studied populations. But the story doesn't end here. Egg whites have recently been considered a superfood and can provide a host of benefits that will leave you wondering how you ever survived without them. Watch this video until the end for a surprising revelation. Here are 15 excellent health benefits of egg whites that will make you crack open a smile. 1. High-quality protein. Do you know that egg whites contain a good source of proteins? Their nutritional value is 3.6 grams per large egg white, close to 7% of the daily recommended protein intake. The biochemical information of egg white reveals that it is a source of quality protein, especially the essential amino acids, including leucine, valine, and isoleucine, that are important in building and repairing muscle tissues. However, are you aware that this protein prolongs feelings of fullness and decreases the chances of reaching for snacks soon after the meal? 2. Blood pressure reduction. It is worth recalling that egg whites help decrease high blood pressure levels in hypertensive adults. But even more impressive is that such a reduction can be achieved within 8 weeks, coupled with a decrease in cardiovascular risks. The same source stated that egg whites, which have around 54 milligrams of potassium in a large portion, also assist in regulating hypertension through sodium-potassium ratios. Isn't it amazing? 3. Cholesterol-free. What would be your reaction if I told you that egg whites contain no cholesterol compared to whole eggs? It makes them suitable for persons with raised cholesterol levels or tendencies toward cardiac diseases. Egg whites also lack saturated fat, a fantastic amount of less than 0.1 grams per large egg white. Intriguing, right? 4. Rich in vitamins and minerals. In their nutritional profile, egg whites are rich in vitamin B2, B12, selenium, and other essential vitamins and minerals. They also comprise about 0.5 micrograms of vitamin D in large egg whites, which is crucial to bone strength. But are you obtaining sufficient of these nutrients in your daily diet? If not, then it's high time to get your nutritional values checked. 5. Antioxidant properties. Do you know that antioxidants such as lysozyme are present in egg whites? This compound has been proven to have antimicrobial value, reducing the chances of getting infected and affected by diseases. In addition, lysozyme has anti-inflammatory activity, which prevents inflammation from leading to chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. That could be the secret to a better and more robust immune system. 6. Muscle growth and repair. Athletes and people on stringent diets usually opt for egg whites because of their superior protein profile, which the body uses to rebuild muscles. It contains 0.7 grams of branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, per large egg white. This promotes muscle protein synthesis, decreases muscle damage and fatigue, and helps prevent the loss of muscle tissue. Arginine and aspartic acid are other amino acids that promote muscle tissue repair. Their nutritional value is evidenced by a high protein efficiency ratio, PER, of 3.9, representing the highest protein nutritional quality. So it is recommended for muscle recovery and protein synthesis after strength training and muscle functionality improvement. 7. Low in calories. Surprisingly, even the egg whites contain only 17 calories in a giant egg white, allowing it to be incorporated into a low-calorie diet. It is primarily helpful for people on a diet to observe their calorie intake or people under a strict calorie diet. Besides, egg whites are low in cholesterol and have less than 0.6 grams of carbohydrates per large egg white. This can also be considered negligible and will not affect the blood sugar and consumed carbohydrate count. This makes them ideal for use, especially when preparing food for low-carb diets like the ketogenic or Atkins diet. An oddity about egg whites is that, though they are deficient in calorie and carb values, they are pretty filling because of their protein content, which may facilitate weight loss. This makes them perfect for consumption as a healthy treat, snack, or after-workout food. 8. Improved heart health. Egg whites are known to be a heart-friendly food. A medium egg white contains more potassium than sodium, and potassium can counteract the effect of sodium and therefore reduce high blood pressure and the chances of heart disease. Magnesium is also present in egg whites. It aids in balancing cholesterol, avoiding cardiac arrhythmias, and maintaining a healthy cardiac system. Moreover, due to their cholesterol and saturated fat levels, egg whites are highly recommended to people with high cholesterol or heart diseases. It establishes that a balanced diet with egg whites can decrease their chances of getting cardiovascular disease, heart attacks, and stroke, hence enjoying a healthier, longer life. 9. Reduced inflammation. Remarkably, egg whites have been shown to contain highly effective anti-inflammatory compounds that, when consumed, help lower the levels of inflammation within the body. Eventually, it is advantageous in preventing chronic diseases such as arthritis, cancer, and other related inflammatory diseases. The anti-inflammatory properties of egg whites pertain to the contents of lysozyme. Therefore, it can reduce the levels of pro-inflammatory cytokines, stimulating inflammation. Moreover, since inflammation is the root of most chronic pain, one can also consider the extract to alleviate the symptoms by lowering inflammation. Furthermore, egg whites contain anti-inflammatory nutrients that are effective for preventing mental illness diseases that are hazardous for human beings, like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's diseases, which have prior symptoms of chronic inflammation in the brain. In addition, egg whites contain other anti-inflammatory substances, such as ovotransferrin and ovomucoid, which exhibit anti-inflammatory and immune-modulating activities that should supplement an inflammation-fighting diet. 10. Supports healthy hair and nails. Egg white also contains a high sulfur level, which helps boost hair and nail strength, thus combating brittle hair and nails. Keratin is a protein that requires sulfur to form a strong network in hair and nails. Also, antioxidants and other nutrients in egg whites help strengthen the hair follicle, resulting in thick and healthy hair. But should this lead to improved overall skin health as well? The vitamins in the egg whites also assist in diminishing fine lines, wrinkled skin, and age spots to enhance glowing skin. 11. Helps reduce cancer risk. It has been seen in some research that consuming egg whites decreases the probability of developing particular types of cancer, like breast cancer or ovarian cancer, because of the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Egg white proteins such as lysozyme and ovotransferrin have antioxidant features that can reduce free radicals that cause cell injury and are related to cancer. In addition, the intake of egg whites contains anti-inflammatory effects that lower colon, prostate, and lung cancer. However, more research needs to be done on this notion. 12. Supports healthy bones. Egg whites are rich in calcium, vitamin D, and other essential minerals required to maintain healthy bones, helping prevent osteoporosis and fractures. High in calcium, egg white helps build bones, while vitamin D facilitates calcium absorption into the system. Also, egg whites are a source of minerals such as phosphorus, magnesium, and potassium, essential in building bones. But can they also lower the odds of osteopenia? High protein content in egg whites may also explain why the nutrient promotes bone mineralization to prevent osteopenia and fractures. 13. May improve cognitive function. The choline content in egg whites assists in the development of the brain and boosts cognitive abilities, minimizing the risk of poor brain function due to aging. Choline is then transported to the brain, where it is metabolized into acetylcholine, an essential chemical in memory, attention, and learning functions. Moreover, egg white is also rich in antioxidants and vitamins that might also be useful in decreasing oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain, which helps improve cognitive function. But will the action also lower the chances of dementia? Some clinical trials link egg white ingestion with a decreased likelihood of dementia and Alzheimer's disease, although the findings require further research studies to support the linkage. Considering the effects of the cognitive nutrients, egg whites should be deemed essential to a brain-supporting diet. 14. Supports healthy gut bacteria. Egg whites have a dietary fiber, which is known as a prebiotic, that promotes the growth of suitable organisms in the digestion system and thus prevents diseases in the digestion system. The soluble dietary fiber in egg white mainly works as a food source for the beneficial bacteria within the gut and helps stimulate them to produce more. These may result in various processes, such as an increase in the functionality of the digestive system, enhancement of the immune system, and rehabilitation of mental health conditions. However, in what other aspects can egg whites be helpful to the gut? Egg whites can also fix the gaps in the human digestive tract while preventing leaky gut syndrome, among other digestive ailments. Also, it has been identified that egg whites exhibit anti-inflammatory properties, which could also benefit those with irritable bowel syndrome and other inflammatory bowel diseases. 15. Weight loss. Regarding weight loss in particular, evidence published in the Journal of Nutrition in 2011 shows that egg whites for breakfast result in 65% greater weight loss than consuming whole eggs because of increased satiety and decreased calorie intake. Imagine that such a simple thing as removing the yolks could change so much. Egg whites also contain a protein, which reduces appetite and boosts fat burning. As committed earlier, the 15 incredible health benefits of egg whites will make you wonder how you survived without them. Will you eat the egg whites now that they have been credited as a healthy meal supplement? Misconceptions about egg whites are overcome by the truth, which shows how they positively change your health, such as decreasing inflammation and enhancing brain functioning, endorsing great bones, and beneficial gut bacteria. Thanks for staying with us, folks. Remember to embrace egg white's fantastic qualities and build a healthier and healthier you. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for better health.